Hey, today I'm going to show you how to make a face mask that's no-sew using a t-shirt and scissors. So you're going to take whichever t-shirt you want to use and you're going to cut about 7 to 8 inches off of the bottom side. Once you have your t-shirt end, you're going to lay it out and decide if you want long ties or short ties. I'm going to use short ties. So I'm just going to cut off a section here of the end. And then you're going to make the cords that go behind your head, which will be the top and the bottom here. So you're just going to leave about an inch from the bottom and go in until you're about 6 or 7 inches from the side, which is about there. You're going to do this on the top side. And then you're going to cut across. Now, you just tie it behind your face. If you want to reinforce the filtering on these, you can insert a coffee filter into the inside of the shirt. There you go.